Matalinong Pilipinas, basura daw si Inday Sara as a leader. Statement by the Malacanang press officer. Hindi ba mas mapupunta tayo sa dumpster kung maging pangulo natin or maging leader natin ay katulad nila VP Sara na mas inuuna pa magpunta sa abroad? The audacity of calling that out. Imagine they created a situation that Digong was there. Tapos when the daughter comes, they judge the daughter. Diba nga dapat first 24 hours makita ng immediate family yung inaakusa. Nga dapat dumaan pa si Duterte sa judicial courts. After that unlawful arrest, and no, I'm not making this up, look up Senator Amy Marcos statements. The lack of medical supervision that an 80-year-old man had to suffer. Tapos ngayon, the vice president that you want to impeach, yung kinat nyo ng budget, she goes to her father, then you judge her. To be frank, Inday Sara was one of the first people to call out that violation of sovereignty of our country. She embodied Filipino values, putting family and Filipinos first. Regardless of facing impeachment, she fights for our sovereignty. So now, how would you call Inday Sara a dumpster? The moment Filipino supporters of Duterte try to do Zero Remittance Week, you also comment to persuade us Filipinos to trust the government? First of all, there's a lot of problems right now. First, the sovereignty of our country because of Duterte's arrest. Second, the PhilHealth funds. Along that is the inappropriate budgets worth billions of pesos. And last and foremost, Philippines, or should I say, the Europe side of Philippines, is at the top of criminal index here in Southeast Asia. With all these problems, aren't we in a dumpster right now? Thus VP Sara, the mayor of Davao City, she kept the city safe and no utang. Then you say if we follow her, it would lead us to a dumpster? I don't know about that. Yes, I know you retaliated from VP Sara's comments of calling you guys dumpster. But she has facts on her side. Anyway, see you in Peace Rally tomorrow, my Davaoenos. Yes, go for Zero Remittance Week. Let's use the money language. Wishing best for PRRD's birthday. See you guys tomorrow.